Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the notes of Karnataka State Syllabus Class 6 English Prose Chapter 9 A Rose for the Princess. If you want the notes of other lessons or other subjects, kindly check the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. First is comprehension part. Answer the following in a word or a sentence each. Number 1. Who was the rose a gift for? Answer. The rose was a gift for Princess Jhanara. Question 2. Why does the princess gift silk to Maqbool? Answer. The princess was very pleased with the rose Maqbool sent her, so she gifted silk for a jacket for him. Question 3. What is the reward Maqbool receives from the princess for taking her out? Answer. She gifts him the rose gardens of the quilt to tend for the rest of his life. Question 4. What is the request that the princess makes to Maqbool? Answer. The princess requested Maqbool to send her the prasad every time he went to the mandir. Answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences each. First question. Dilruba tells Maqbool that she belongs to his family. Why does she say this? Answer. Dilruba is the name given by Maqbool to one rose plant in the garden. So she says she belongs to his family. Maqbool says that those roses are his only family. Question B. What is the condition Maqbool lays down before he agrees to take Panna out with him? Answer. Women seeing bangles or attar, they will ask for it. Panna should not expect Maqbool to buy that for her, as he had no money to buy anything. Question C. What explanation does Panna give to explain her statement, but then the roads were emptied for us? What is the actual explanation? Answer. The actual explanation is that the roads were emptied when the princess made a visit there. She explained that she accompanied Princess Jhanara and then the roads were emptied. Question D. What punishment does the commander give Maqbool? Why? Answer. Commander took Princess Jahanara to the bursting streets of Agra, so he was asked to leave for Sikandra immediately. For taking Jahanara outside, Maqbool was punished and sent off to work at Akbar Badshah's tomb at Sikandra. Question E. Because of you, I have had one of the most enjoyable days of my life. Write in your own words why the princess tells Maqbool so. Answer. When the princess visited Agra, the roads were emptied for their visit. So, she did not have a chance to see the crowded street, people walking here mid there. Now she looked around in wonder and delight. In the Hanuman temple, she rings the bell and eats the prasadam immediately. All this happened because of Maqbool. So she says that she had one of the most enjoyable days of her life. Question F. Describe Maqbool's devotion to tending the garden. Answer. Maqbool's wife died long ago. His sons were in the emperor's army and were away with their families in the Deccan. Then the roses were his family. Lovingly, he calls each rose by names such as Gulbadan, Badal, Dilruba and Ghata. He called the pink rose as Subah and presented it with decoration to Princess Jahanara. Next main, use following phrases in sentences of your own. Won't tell a soul with a glint in her eyes, scrambles to his feet brand of humor. Sudha promised that she won't tell a soul about Radha's failure in the examination. The little girl looked at the new doll with a glint in her eyes. As soon as the HM entered the class, the students scrambled to their feet. Vijaya has the habit of telling anything with a brand of humor. Next main, match these words with their meanings. So here we have to match the words with their meaning, and the correct answer for that is here. You need to match likewise. Next main, yesterday you met Radha, a friend of yours. Here are some things Radha said to you. Tell your mother all that Radha said to you. I am living in Bangalore now. Radha told me that she was living in Bangalore. Then, my father is not very well. Radha said that her father was not very well. My brother and Sita are getting married. Radha told me that her brother and Sita were getting married. I saw Lata in a party. Radha said that she has seen Lata at a party. I haven't seen Mahesh recently. Radha said that she hadn't seen Mahesh recently. I am enjoying my job. Radha told me that she was enjoying her job. I bought a new car last month. Radha told me that she had bought a new car the previous month. I'll tell Sita I met you. Radha said me that she would tell Sita that she had met me. Writing. Write a message to be left for your sister about a telephone call for her when she was away. Your message should be not exceed 50 words. Put the message in a box. Abhinav. Hello, is it 234555051? Could I speak to Deepthi please? Pranav. I am afraid she is not at home. Abhinav, could you convey to her that Mrs. Srinivasan will be taking maths class tomorrow at 9 a.m. She has to bring her complete project along for submission. The class may go on up to 12 noon. Pranav, I surely will convey the message. By the way, may I know who is calling? Abhinav. I am Abhinav, Deepti's classmate. Message. Dear sister Deepti, Abhinav called Mr. Srinivasan will take maths class tomorrow at 9 a.m. She has asked you to bring a complete project for submission. Classes may go on up to 12 noon. Love, Pranav. A rose for the princess summary in English. Maqbool is a gardener in the gardens of Mughal Empire, Shah Jahan. His wife died long ago. His sons were in Emperor's army and are away with their family in the Deccan. From then onwards, the roses were his family. He named every rose like Gulbadan, Badal, Dilruba and Ghata. One day he sent a rose, Subah, well decorated in a basket to Princess Jahanara through Dilruba, the maid. In turn, the princess sent him a silk jacket. The next day, when he was digging up a flower bed, another maid by name Panna comes and tell him that she is maid to Princess Jahanara. Maqbool finishes his digging, sit down with a basket of golden marigolds and stringing a garland. He tells that he is taking that to the Hanumanji Mandir. Panna requests Maqbool to take her to the Mandir. Maqbool agrees on the condition that he will not buy her anything. He took her to the bustling street of Agra. Panna looked around in wonder and delight. The girl walked slowly and stopped everywhere. Panna took the garlands from Maqbool and placed it at the feet of the idol. She reached up and rang all the bells and then bent down low to the pranam. The priest gave them prasad and she immediately popped some into her mouth. Then the two strolled through the bazaar. Panna sat and listened to a man singing on a masjid steps and stood giggling at a funny magician. She brought roasted chana and sweet potatoes from the street vendor. She stood wide-eyed looking up at the sky. As she was looking at the kite flying high up, soldiers entered with their swords and said that the princess had been kidnapped. Panna revealed her disguise and the commander asked Maqbool to surrender. Princess Jahanara saves him and asked Maqbool to go back to his garden. The next day Maqbool was sitting sadly in the garden and Princess Jahanara came there. Maqbool said that the commander wanted him to leave for Sikandra immediately. Princess Jahanara rewarded Maqbool the rose gardens of the Khila for the rest of his life and requested him to send her the prasadam whenever he went to the mandir. This is all about your lesson, A Rose for the Princess. As I have told you, if you want the more lessons, kindly check the playlist of my channel. Thanks.